This piece of metal we just sheared, you draw an angle, degrees. Most fighter pilots end up with bad necks and bad backs. It's just part of the business. My back kept getting worse and worse, and I kept getting bent over. Hell, I was bent over for about 45 degrees, couldn't stand up.
What's most valuable about a team like Mighty Oak is that its core mission is really to solve problems in the operating room. A large part of Mighty Oak's technology platform of FIFFLY is about the pre-surgical planning process. It's understanding the patient's anatomy and understanding the challenges that that surgeon is going to face in the operating room on that day.
There's 550,000 fusion surgeries done in the United States every year. And these surgeries involve the placement of pedicle screws into the vertebral body, that these screws then are the anchors. The actual success rate of the placement of those screws accurately hovered around 80%. If that screw is misplaced, it can actually cause, irreparable harm to the patient. Prior to owning the HP printers, Mighty Oak was doing the pre-surgical planning, doing the engineering work, designing the guides, but the manufacturing was outsourced to a third party. And although we had a good partnership with our third party, outsourced manufacturer, we were, of course, victim to their timelines, to their costs, the additional costs. At times, there would be a quick turnaround surgery required. Now, we can just come across the street and work 24/7 and push it out and hit what is really a critical timeline for some of our customers.
As a spine surgeon, our surgeries can run from pretty simple, straightforward, say an hour-and-a-half operation that's of very limited scope, to what my world is, which is really adult deformity and revision surgery. What Hewlett-Packard brings to the table in both their ability to innovate and their, as I said, brain trust and their footprint is something that will allow us to accomplish our mission to touch more surgeons, more patients, to advance the concepts, the innovation into greater levels. It's something that makes what was previously impossible possible. As a perfect example of Lee's case, I would have told a Lee of 10 years ago, I feel for what you're dealing with, but I don't think I can fix you in a manner that is safe. Fast forward 10 years, having the technology to say, Lee, I think we can do this safely for you and get you through it.
Life is more than just existing. You have to have a purpose. I think you have to be able to do things. And I think this surgery and this technique has allowed me to do pretty much what I did in the past. If I couldn't have had this surgery, as I said, I would have been probably in a wheelchair, and I'm not sure I want to live that way. It makes a purpose for you to be able to continue to do something and be relevant. I don't want to be irrelevant.